The normal high today, no longer in the 80s, it's now 90. And it will just keep going up from there, obviously through the peak of summer where it gets into the upper 90s. So the high today was 90, which is the norm. The record is 102, which to me seems low. I don't know why. But 102, the record back in 1948. 72 degrees, muggy this morning. The normal low is 70. Outside now, it's 88. Feels like 94. So like Dia was saying, it's humid outside. Dew points are in the lower 70s, that measure of moisture in the air. When it's above 70, it's very humid. Pollen count. Hickory, grass, and oak, those are high. Fungus is low today for the pollen count. We look at satellite and radar. You see what was a decaying complex of thunderstorms that moved into North Texas early this morning and brought just a little bit of rain to parts of Denton and Tarrant County, and it really collapsed before making it into most of Collin and Dallas counties. Now we're just left with partly cloudy skies this afternoon, and as we go through this evening, I'll watch what currently some thunderstorms out in New Mexico, right on the Texas-New Mexico border, and then parts of West Texas going into the Panhandle. Thunderstorms will be blowing up out there. That's where the severe weather threat is tonight. The remnants of those thunderstorms could at least bring some rain to parts of western North Texas. I'm looking really toward Graham, Mineral Wells, Stephenville. That's going to be the better chance. It's not a great chance, but it is a chance for a shower or thunderstorm later tonight. Not expecting severe weather with that. As we get into Friday morning, we start the day off with sunshine, a couple of clouds here or there. Then along the Red River, we will watch that behind the banner. There's 7 a.m. Look at noon. See, these thunderstorms will try to clip northeastern portions of North Texas and into East Texas too. So Clarksville, Texarkana, Paris, maybe a thunderstorm late Friday morning into midday. Then for the afternoon, more scattered thunderstorm development along the Red River and closer to the Panhandle and western Oklahoma Friday afternoon and Friday night. That's where the shower and storm chances are likely to stay through Friday night. Then as we look ahead, I'm going to go ahead and go to this here. As we look ahead to Saturday, we'll be watching mainly Saturday night. This is where the WFAA Weather Alert Day is in effect from 9 p.m. Saturday through 1 o'clock in the morning Sunday. So there's a 4-hour window there. We'll be watching for thunderstorms to come out of Oklahoma. That's 9. There's 10 and 11. You see the thunderstorms moving into, that's about 380. Okay, so there's, between Denton, McKinney, Greenville, then farther to the south into the Dallas area to Rockwall, Waxahachie, Terrell at 1 o'clock in the morning. They should decay the farther south they go. So with that being said, there's a level 2 slight risk from Fort Worth, Dallas into the north. Terrell is included in that. The number one concern would be up to 60-mile-per-hour winds. Most of the winds are likely going to stay below that, but there could be a spot or two where we see gusts of 50 to 60. Most of the hail would likely be either non-existent or pea-sized, but there could be a couple of little sections of that line where there could be up to quarter-size hail. That, again, is Saturday night. That's why we have that WFAA weather alert in effect from 9 p.m. to 1 a.m. Tonight, 76 degrees, warm and muggy. Tomorrow, 93, so a little bit warmer than today. Today we hit 90. Tomorrow, 93. It's going to be humid. Plenty of sunshine, but there's that chance for a thunderstorm, mainly along the Red River, as we head into the late morning and early afternoon closer to Paris and Clarksville. 14-day forecast. There's the WFAA weather alert for Saturday. Sunday's a hot day, 95 with showers and storms likely late Sunday night into Monday morning. Monday's high and Tuesday's high only in the middle 80s because of the clouds and lingering rain. Dia.
Thanks for that, Jesse.